What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol LCID for Lucid Group. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We've talked about it regularly on the channel now for quite some time. It's been all about this range, and certainly on today's session, we did break that to the upside, so we technically do have a breakout on our hands. The first upside target that we can see from the daily time frame would be right around here at $47 even, and then after that, the low end of this consolidation at 49.57. So those are the numbers to the upside to be paying attention to. What I would point out here, though, is that we are 1, 2, 3, 4 days to the upside in a row, coming all the way from the bottom end of the range straight up and breaking out essentially, on the first major attempt to the upside. There was no higher low pullback, something like this, and then reattempt in the future. It just broke on the first go. So is now really the time to be chasing Lucid? I would say not really. If you're not already long, then what I would want to see from the daily perspective would be some sort of pullback for a break, retest, hold this as support now at 42.62, and then we can continue on our merry way up towards those upside targets at 47, and then as we discussed, 49.50s. So the other thing I should point out is that in yesterday's video, some people commented on the lockup expiring, just meaning that some internal holders can sell their shares. If you're interested in that type of stuff, I would advise you to do your own research. I'm not an expert in fundamentals. I'm here to read price action. The one concerning thing, or the one scenario that would be concerning rather, would be if this turns into a look above and fail. And that sort of coincides with the theory that maybe, again, this is not a guarantee, but maybe some of those insiders dump their shares. In that case, we might get a look above fail if we do not hold on the back test of that 42.62, in which case we know the target is the bottom end of the range here at 35.87. Again, it doesn't look like a likely scenario based on the activity that we have, but I did want to mention it. Let's take a brief look at the 30-minute intraday time frame just to see what else we can learn about the price action here. I would point out that it was extremely healthy. We had this nice bull flag consolidation from this overall move right here. Just saw follow through to the upside on today's session. Again, taking out the top of the balance at 42.62. Let's come in with the Fibonacci's quickly and just get a sense for, was the move healthy or not? So here's the 930 low all the way on up to the first high. And again, what you'll notice if I just zoom in a bit is that all of the consolidation throughout the afternoon was well above your 38.2. So the buyers firmly in control here, and then a solid close pushing into the highs at the end of day. So nothing about the chart screams bearish. As of right now, I would really look out for those daily scenarios we pointed out, either the break and retest here for something like that, continuation, but I wouldn't chase it. Watch for a pullback off of that 47 if the move is just a straight shot higher, or the least likely scenario, but still a possibility, that look above and fail if we fail to hold on to 42.62 on a back test. We know the target is 35.87, call it 36 even. That's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.